we're replacing air intake filter on a Honda Odyssey 2011, 2017, they're the same. So what you want to do is disconnect your sensor right here, and then there's a little tab right there, just unhook it, and then 1, 2, 3 right here. Just gonna open this. There we go. And then just lift it up, and just make sure you see right there where my finger is, right there, the fittings, it goes inside the little hole right there, the two clips, the two fittings right there for the intake. So make sure it goes back when you put it back. So lift it up, you take out your other one, so it goes this way. See the shape, it's kind of like missing the square part right here, so it goes on this side. So you won't miss it because the shape of the base has to match. And here is the new one. Brand is right there. Part number, bought it from Rock Auto. New one. So before installing, just make sure there is no debris right here, any garbage, dust, just clean it here. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean this. So here's the new filter, just lift that here, put it back in here, make sure this fitting right there goes back in there. Secure your, there we go. So 1, 2, 3, and just put your harness back, your mass sensor, just connect it, and voila. So this is part number, bought it from Rock Auto, about 14-15 bucks, shipping and taxes. So this is how you replace air intake filter.